Good morning, Tina Johnson, and I'm an ambassador with Watertown Area Chamber of Commerce. We're excited to cut the ribbon and welcome Madison's Crafts and Fabric, located at 107 South 2nd Street, to the Watertown Area Chamber. Madison Crafts and Fabric is your cozy hometown fabric and craft store in Watertown, Wisconsin. Family-owned, community-focused, and built from a dream. Created to be a welcoming space where creativity and community meet. The shop offers high-quality fabrics, yarn, notions, machine repairs, and a full calendar of sewing classes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, Madison's is here to inspire, support, and celebrate your creativity every step of the way. On the count of 3, we will cut the ribbon and welcome Madison's Crafts and Fabric to the Watertown Area Chamber of Commerce. 1, 2, 3! Yay!